teacher. So we're getting into geometry, so I've got a couple geometry jokes for you. First one, I saw my math teacher had a piece of graph paper yesterday. He must be plotting something. Get it? What did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless! We'll do one more. What is the math teacher's favorite kind of tree? Geometry! Thank you. Thank you. I got more where that came from. Welcome to our 5th week at Washington Middle School. We're done with equations and we are moving on to geometry. So this week, our learning target is this. We can find the area, the base, or the height. So one of those things, if we're missing one of them, on a parallelogram, a triangle, or a composite figure. So we're going to be working on that all week. So let's think about what area means. Area is... What is area? Area is the space inside.
Right? So equals the space inside.
So if I have a rectangle here and it is 5 by 3, well, that means that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares by 1, 2, and by 3 squares, right? So what's the area going to be? Well, I can either count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I get 15 squares. Or obviously we can just multiply the base of 5 and the height of 3. 5 times 3 is 15 to find the area. Alright, so which gives us the base again. So base is the bottom of the rectangle, and the height is the side. So H-E-I-G-H. We've got the side of the rectangle is the height. And those are all really important things to remember as we're getting into geometry. We're going to be using that all the time. Now we've got a couple words here. The first word was parallelogram. Parallelogram is anything that has 4 sides. So, and those 4 sides are parallel with each other. So this rectangle would be a parallelogram if all 4 sides are parallel. But also, this would be a parallelogram because all 2 sides are parallel. These 2 sides are parallel. They're going the same direction. Another parallelogram would be if I had like this. As long as these sides are all parallel with each other, then it's a parallelogram. A triangle. You guys remember triangles? Has what? Triangle has 3 sides. Okay? And a composite figure. That's a big one. Composite figure is a figure that is made up of multiple figures. So if I have
kind of a let's see, we're going to go over here, and go this way, then up right here. Alright, so what do I have?
With this composite figure? Well, I've got a rectangle there, I have a triangle here, I have another rectangle here, and another triangle here. So I've got a composite, multiple figures in one, and I can figure out the area of each of those figures and then add them all together. And we're going to get there. So now you got a little game to play and some thinking. What did you do this weekend? This past weekend for me, I went canoeing up at Clear Lake, and it was just beautiful. My family and I got to just get up in the mountains, see the animals, and hear the babbling brook go by, and it was just a beautiful weekend for us as we got up there. What did you do this weekend? What's something that you did? Did you get some time with your family? Did you play with some friends? Did you do something active? What did you do? All right.